nga P kung may mga natutunan ba siya sa mga itinuturo na Bisaya words. Okay, let's start. I'm going to say in English and you have to translate into Bisaya, or what do you want? I'm going to say it in Bisaya and you're going to translate in English.
Either way.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's try. Plate. What is Bisaya in plate?
Plato.
What is baso?
Class.
Buwak or bulak.
Flower.
Oh, seems like you memorize. Bugas. Like bugas. That you know,
I don't
like
know.
I always eat.
Rice.
Yeah, my favorite. Armpit.
I don't remember.
I said you remember.
No, I don't think I said the right word.
You can't.
I said kilig, but I don't think that
Yeah.
was right.
Kilikili. Tiyan or tijan.
Head.
Tijan?
Oh, stomach.
Tummy or stomach. Ngilad ko. What is ngilad or pangit?
Pangit is ugly. That's me.
Oh. No, what I mean is ngilad ko or pangit is
Ugly.
okay.
Me.
No, I'm not saying. What about I'm going to take a shower now. I'm going to take a shower now.
Naglalaba.
No, maligo na ko. Earring.
Cat.
Ero.
Dog.
Nagpakaon ko sa akong mga iring.
Feed my cats.
Nagsakit akong tiyan or tiyan.
My belly hurts.
Unsa imong gikaon?
What are you eating?
Naglimpyo ko.
Laundry?
No. Don't remember? I am cleaning.
Oh.
I am cleaning. Naglaba ko. That's what you said earlier.
Laundry?
Yeah. I'm doing laundry. Init kaadyo.
It's hot.
Nagdula ka? Nagduwa. Nagdula ka or nagduwa?
Don't remember that one.
Are you playing? Lingkuranan.
Is it like table or chair? One of the two.
Chair. Baho ka. I'm sure you know this.
What?
Baho ka.
No, stinky.
Katulgon kaadyo. Katulgon kaadyo ko.
Very sleepy? Kumusta
Kumusta imong tulog?
was your sleep?
Unsa imong gikaon?
Did you eat?
What are you eating?
No.
Kumusta imong tulog?
Didn't I already do that one?
Kumusta imong tapos na? I already asked you that.
I think so.
Naglagot ko. Or nasuko ko or naglagot ko. You want a clue?
Said I'm mad.
Something like that said. Malibang nako. Malibang ko. Or malibang nako. Malibang ko.
Using the bathroom.
You can remember.
Something to do in the bathroom.
What about mangihi ko?
That's the other one in the bathroom. I don't
Can
remember which
you
one's which.
guess? Just guess. Mangihi ko.
Peeing.
That's correct. Gigutom nako. Gutom na kaayo ko. Gigutom nako.
Have you eaten?
Gigutom nako. I am hungry.
Oh.
Matug na ka?
Are you
Or
tired?
matulog na ka?
Are you sleepy?
Are you going to sleep?
Listen,